600.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Right through the city with the top down. Oh, there's nothing more way to live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Got to find out to see them. Oh, let's take a ride through the city with the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far.